He's having a good dream or something, huh?
Might be.
Maybe he's still on the boob in his dream.
He hasn't moved.
And now he's done.
I don't know. He's just fat and happy right now.
Yeah.
30 minutes of
30 minutes
of eating.
boob. Labored breathing because he's so full. That's going to have to go on the internet. That's funny.